By default, Weglot detects and translates your entire website. But if you want, you can exclude part of your website from being translated. Let's say, for example, that I don't want to translate my About Us page. To do so, go to your Weglot dashboard under Settings and Translation Exclusion. If you want to exclude a specific page, go to the Excluded URL section and click on Add Rule. Here, simply enter the relative URL of the page that you want to exclude. You can exclude a specific URL or multiple URLs matching the specific rule. The excluded URL will not be translated anymore, and the Weglot language switcher will not be visible. You can also exclude only a specific part on a page using the Excluded Block feature. To do so, identify the CSS ID or class of the element. For example here, theme title, and add a rule in the Excluded Block section to exclude this element from being translated. Keep in mind that if this page or element was translated by Weglot before, the translation linked to that element are not removed from your translation list. You can remove them manually in your translation list. If you need any help, please contact our support team.